Welcome, guys. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you, guys, for subscribing to my channel. Today, I'm making a new video. Today, I'm going to barbecue some chicken wings. And thanks again, guys, for subscribing to my channel. And this is some of my seasoning that I'm going to use to season my chicken with. This is my black pepper, salt, some ginger, my season up. I use my season up all purpose in everything that I cook. This is my paprika powder, some adobo, and some garlic. Okay, guys. And this is my chicken wings that I've add some lime to, and I'm going to add some vinegar to wash my chicken wings. Okay. I'm going to add a little garlic to my chicken for this. Garlic powder. This is some paprika that I'm going to also add. This is some ginger. I'm going to add a little ginger. Adobo. Some season up I'm going to use to season my chicken. To also give it meat, good flavor. And I'm not going to add any salt because all this seasoning had a lot of salt in it. I'm going to add some black pepper. My hands is clean and I'm using it to massage all this seasoning into on my chicken. Okay. I put my chicken wing in this dish. So now I'm going to cover it up that it can marinate for half an hour. These 30 minutes. Okay. My chicken wings to my pot and add it to my oven. I've sprayed my pan with some palm spray that it prevents my chicken wing from sticking on the tray. So I say I'm going to do some barbecue wings. So I'm going to bake it. my chicken wings and I'm going to add it into my oven. Okay. And guys, I'm making my barbecue sauce. I've had my ketchup to the pot. I'm going to add some seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. And this dash, some cayenne pepper, some sugar, half cup of apple cider vinegar, half cup of apple cider vinegar, quarter spoon of Worcestershire sauce.